quick and easy 24-hour pizza dough. But you can also just pick up pizza dough from your favorite pizza shop or your local grocery store. Of course, you can order it online from Amazon. But this is a really fun dough to make because it's so easy to remember. We got a couple of cups of flour in the bowl. To that, we're going to add a teaspoon each of pizza yeast or fast-rising instant yeast. Sprinkle of sugar, sprinkle of salt, teaspoon of each. Drizzle of olive oil. 3/4 of a cup of really warm water to get the yeast going. And you literally just dump it in a bowl, stir it together, wrap it up, and leave it in the fridge overnight. Next day, take it out a couple hours before you want to make your cast iron skillet pizza. Take the chill off. After about a half hour or so, you can really manipulate the dough quite well. Then I press it into the sides of a 12-inch cast iron skillet. And you'd want to try and work it literally up the sides of the pan. I make these cast iron skillet pizzas all the time. They're fun to serve, and you can get really creative with the toppings. Today's toppings are going to include garlicky spinach, so we're going to start there. The biggest bargain in the entire grocery store is chopped frozen spinach. You buy a 16-ounce bag of that, it's already been cooked down. You're getting tons and tons of spinach for a little bit of money. You want to defrost it in the microwave, or I just throw it in the fridge the night before I'm going to cook. Then you wring it out in a kitchen towel, get all the excess moisture out of it once it's defrosted, okay? Then we're going to go over to our skillet. We just need a little pan for this. Throw some olive oil into it. And I've got this just over moderate heat, medium heat. You don't want to scorch your garlic. And we're just going to put our grater right over the pan there. And as soon as the garlic starts to bubble and sizzle in your olive oil, in your EVOO, give that a little swirl. We're just going to heat that spinach through and season it up with a little salt and pepper. With the dough, the first thing we're going to do is make a ring of pepper jack cheese all around the outside. I know, I'm a cheesy girl in many, many ways. I put our garlicky spinach cooked in olive oil with salt and pepper all over the top of our cast iron pan pizza crust. And now we're going to put brick mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. And then instead of tomato sauce, I'm going to use semi-dried tomatoes, super tangy, or you can use sun-dried tomatoes, drained and chopped. So you got a lot of tangy tomato flavor that'll stand up to that spicy cheese on the outside. Pickled hot Italian peppers all over that sucker. And then pecorino or parm. Pecorino is sheep's milk cheese, so it's super tangy. I'm gonna sprinkle that. Oh my God, it looks like it just snowed. And then a little sprinkle of crushed red pepper flake. And a little oregano or marjoram. Thing of beauty! When your pizza comes out of the oven, loosen it up with a butter knife, let it set for 5-10 minutes. Okay, then we're gonna start negotiating these guys out. And on the flip side, you get that nice cast iron crust, that deep dish, chewy, gooey, cheesy deliciousness with your spinach, your hot peppers, the semi-dried tomatoes. You got the pecorino, or you can use parm, the mozzarella, the pepper jack. There's something for everyone.